you holding? My phone. Can I look at your phone? Okay, make sure not to break it. Okay. How did this video pop up on Emoji's phone? Ouch, it hurts to watch. Why does your phone have a loud Klasky Shupu AI? Because my phone is too old. Mom, I have something to tell you. What is it? There's a bug glitch loud noise in Emoji Yellow's phone. What? What did you mean? I just buy that phone for years. Yes, it's true. It's because somehow it booted a lot. That's why. Oh my! Let's go to the repair shop. I'm gonna sit you in the car. Little Daddy Moji, you're going to the buckets because you can fit. Okay. Okay, let's now start the car. Is it okay? Sorry, the phone is now broken. I'm sorry.